In this video, we will introduce intents activity. Intents are one of the most important concepts in Android. They are the late binding mechanisms that allow components to interact. An app developer could send an intent for an activity to view a web page or view a PDF, hence making it possible for the user to view a designated HTML or PDF document, even if the requesting app itself doesn't include the capabilities to do so. An app developer could, for instance, send a specific intent to trigger a phone call. Let's look at a basic example of how to do this. Here I have my activity class, which extends the activity base class. I have my onCreate method, and within that I have code where I find a view by ID, start browser, which is a button, and on that button I set an on-click listener. When this button is clicked, I create a new intent and start up a browser with a URL to Amazon.com, and I start the activity. So here we're building functionality of an Android intent to launch various Android built-in applications. Here we can see a browser being started up, and now I'm going to add one with a button and a listener to start the phone. I'm going to create the button. I'm going to call it Start Phone. And I'm going to find a view by ID, but instead of Start Browser, I'm going to use Start Phone. Now I'm going to set an on-click listener, and I'm going to implement the onClick method by creating an intent Now I'm going to parse a phone number. So our intent will be used to call another activity. So now we've implemented our intent to start a phone call. This concludes our discussion of intents activity.